Did you know that there is a completely free way to post your games online and sell them at your own price? I'm talking about itch.io, a platform that enables developers, artists, musicians and writers to upload and sell their content globally. It is a collection of some of the most unique, interesting and independent creations. But the best part is, it's completely beginner-friendly and easy to join. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own account, upload your own game and publish it online. To get to the website, type itch.io in the address bar. As you can see, I'm at the itch.io homepage. There are a bunch of games you can browse over here. For now, we're going to press the register button at the top right. Fill in the username, password and email address that you are going to use for your account. Don't worry, you can still change your username later if you want to. Once that's done, just check the two boxes here since we are going to be uploading our own content. Finally, check the terms of service box. Here we have our creator dashboard, which is a tremendous help on managing our projects and analyzing statistics. To upload a game, you can just press the Create New Project button. Each project in itch.io gets a unique page that can be customized by the creator. This is Button Bliss, the first game I have ever submitted to a game jam. Let's take a look on how I customized the page. Luckily, most sections of the page editor come with a short and simple description. If you want to share your game with your friends, you can do so by sharing this one-of-a-kind URL. At the right side, I uploaded a cover photo and some interesting screenshots of Button Bliss. Since I included a browser-friendly version of my game, I need to set it to an HTML kind of project and put a checkmark here in this Uploads section. We also have embed options which we can use to apply autoplay, enable full screen, change resolution, and make other adjustments for our browser game. Let's move on to the description of the game. This section is highly customizable, allowing you to use styled text, animated pictures, lists, tables, videos, heading formats and even your own HTML code. For Button Bliss, I used this opportunity to provide a short description, announce updates, tell my own personal experience, and add a final note. Let me know if you want a video focusing entirely on page customization. Next in line is one of the most important parts of the page. Tags make it a lot easier for people to find your game organically, especially if you are just starting out in itch.io. You can include your genre, visual style, game mechanics and any other word you would use to describe your game. Now, how do you actually upload and publish your game? Well, after you've filled in some basic information and uploaded your files, you can just head to Visibility and Access and set your game to public. If you are uploading a new project, you can only set it to draft instead of publish at first. Use this opportunity to preview your page first before going back to the editor and officially publishing it online. If you want to continuously update your page in the future, don't worry, because you can publish and unpublish it anytime. When your game is published, you should see a green box with published in it, just like this. Congratulations on your first project page. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you want to make this a series. Take care and see you soon.